Okay, so good morning. I'm at Winding Stair Gap, climbing stairs, believe it or not. And after a zero from the rain to get all dried out. And we are, I am headed up. I think there's a decent amount of elevation gain. I'm not sure how many miles once again. It'll either be somewhere in the neighborhood of 12 again or 16. My adopted trail son, Crash, Alex, he wants to do 16 and make the knock in 2 days, which he's young. I don't know if I can do that yet. I don't know if I'm there, but I'm gonna at least attempt the challenge. But after a zero, I swear you get lazy. I don't really like taking them. Oh, did you go down the road?
Yeah, I did my video.
Oh, okay. Yes. People around here have a sense of humor. Okay, so I'm 4 miles in, passing the silo shelter. Met a nice gentleman. He's here doing a tribute hike to his wife, which is really nice. His name is Arkansas Hiker. And getting ready to climb stairs, but I'm almost at the top. Right now I'm at 4,700 feet. And going. So we'll see. I've already passed the first shelter. We'll see about the second. Second one is still 7.3 miles ahead. A little shorter than I want to be. But the last one is like 12.5 or something. So that might be a bit too far to do. Yeah, so we'll see. It's been all uphill so far. So it's a workout. You can see we're getting to the top of the mountains here. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. Hey, so this side of the mountain has gotten very chilly. I can't put on my gloves because they're still soaking wet. I couldn't get them dry. My shirt wasn't dry even this morning after, the full day. So, and I washed it 4 times and it still didn't smell right. I think that eventually you just have to either throw out your clothes and buy new, or I'm not sure what you do. But I'm not sure if I talked about our 0 day. Our 0 day was a good day. We had a good day. We played Uno. We did laundry together. We ate town food, had Mexican food, and at a Mexican restaurant. It was really good. And then we went to Taco Bell, where they completely messed up my order. They got one right, but they gave me 2 beef and cheese tacos, which with an alpha-gal allergy I can't have. So I paid, I think they charged me like almost $14, and 2 of them I couldn't eat. So that was kind of sucky, but yeah, but I hung out with my trail son, who you've already met. His name is Alex, or Crash, and my new trail daughter, who her name's Addison, she was needing some female energy because she hikes with all men, and so she bunked with me overnight. And she's a real sweetheart. Don't worry, Danielle, you're still the baby of the family. I don't know why I've been collecting children, but they seem to flock to me. So so I guess that's my job out here. But yeah, so it was a good day. This part of the trails, I've made it over the mountains, so I'm going downhill for a very small portion of time. Whoops, sorry. Unfortunately, these allergies have started again because of the storms. And if you notice, you don't need any filler in your face up here because your face puffs up like a blowfish. I don't know if it's pollens, if it's the altitude. We're getting upwards of 5,000 feet now, or what it is, but it's actually funny when you see yourself in the camera. It's like, whoa, I look like a blowfish. Then they told me I look like a Harley rider with my bandana, but sometimes the brim of the hat the ball cap starts to kind of press on your glasses and whoops, hurts the bridge of your nose. There's a lot of roots in North Carolina and you trip on them constantly, but luckily your poles save you. I've only fallen once, and that was because I wasn't paying attention. I was almost up to the shuttle, and that's it. So I've caught myself every time. All right, so going over some mountain, and I'll check in a little later. Bye. Hello. Okay, so my next destination is the Waya Tower. So I think it's a few miles still up. I just have, I think, one more mile to go uphill. The whole day's been uphill. I'm assuming maybe we're 7 miles in. So get to the tower because the next shelter is at 12.5 from where I started. So I think that's right. This trail right now is just all those small rocks that I hate that bruise the bottoms of your feet, and they're hard to walk on. What you're walking on is like sharp river rock, very uncomfortable, and they twist your ankles right, left, and center, and it just keeps going up, 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 up. You can't see how steep it is, but we're gonna be, the tower I think is at 5,300 feet. I think this is where the hobbits live too. It's so beautiful.
Oh no, with your words on repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down and then you're into my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now.
Okay, it's snowing, and now we're getting all socked in for the view.
Hey, now you know you have to decide, and you gotta tell me what's on your mind. Wait a while, you gotta take a deep breath. I can make you smile when I let you into my bed and under my skin. But where will it end if I let it begin? It's go round.